हम हार्वर्ड MIT की बातें करते रहते हैं और चाइना अलग ही ट्रैक पे जा रहा है. सो हार्वर्ड जस्ट गॉट बीटन बाय अ यूनिवर्सिटी most Indians have not even heard of. So I'll tell you what happened. In the CWTS Leiden ranking, which is one of the most respected global measures of research output and quality, a Chinese university named Zhejiang University has taken the #1 spot. At number 2 we have Shanghai Jiaotong, number 4 is Sichuan University, and number 9 is Tsinghua University. Harvard has dropped to number 3. Why is this happening now? Let's understand what China did in 2015. Back then, it launched something called as double first class, where they picked 42 universities and they pumped $18 billion into them. By 2022, they had expanded it to 147 universities and it started showing results already. So you see, in 2020, Tsinghua's engineering and computer science department beat Harvard, MIT and Stanford in the global discipline rankings. So this is not just a sudden jump, it's decade of deliberate funded strategy which is finally showing up in the data. And what is India doing meanwhile? It has been doing the opposite. It is building more colleges, more IITs, more seats, which is good for democracy, but it means that no Indian university is close to that list. And here's why this matters to you. If you are choosing a career where your future depends on the quality of R&D, you need to move out of India, because our R&D future is still lagging behind all these countries. Secondly, if you are just going blindly by the brand names like Harvard, Oxbridge, etc., that assumption is already broken. In 2026, you need to evaluate the professor and the lab names independently, not just the country's name. What do you think about this? Let me know in the comments. Read and follow for more content like this.